I'd be a fool to think there ain't a single devil in the room. Talk about the CIA, FBI, Homeland Security. The media convincing people they should live in fear of me. Can't kill me in my seat. They try to attack what's near to me. Monitor my calls so then write them where they hearing me. It's a conspiracy, counter black power program. Fortunately, got studied and know about it beforehand. OGs put me on the general, gave me material, dialectically broke it down, digested the minerals. This is why they told us OG Panthers were some criminals. Can kill the revolution, they get attack individuals, psychological ops. Thousands of files in pocket they won't release to the public, but we know why he got shaped.
There are so many times that us folks have been deconstructed, evicted, taken out, and gentrificated, and ain't nobody ever gives a you-know-what. And so I'm angry about that as I stand with my ancestors are speaking to me, because the reality is we're silenced. Our voices and these developers and gentrificators are the ones who continue to dominate. This is liberation, family. This is change. And this is led by all of us or none of us. This is each one, teach one. This is all of the things that we talk about. And we're gonna, without further ado, have our youth scholars, Joyous and Tibu, future residents of this place in the future. So this is all gonna be for all the young people around us, not just us adults. Dealing with Fukushima rains and stolen land and fracking. No, you both have to hold it, hon. Each of you hold it. Okay.
Dangerous materials.
You guys are hilarious.
All right, and kids, there you go. You did it. Yay. Kids, do you have anything to say?
My eye hurts.
You guys have anything to say?
That's not saying anything.
Would you turn around for the photo op, please?
Listening and reflecting, right?
It's a conspiracy, counter black power program. Fortunately, got studied and know about it beforehand. OGs put me on the general, gave me material, dialectically broke it down, digested the minerals. This is why they told us OG Panthers were some criminals. Can kill the revolution, they get attack individuals, psychological ops. Thousands of files in pocket they won't release to the public, but we know why he got shaped. HR 347, National Authorization, Patriot Act, the counter-revolution in the making. But Bismillah, Man of Rahim, a Fadam, a die fighting and protecting the deen. Building a brigade of militant soldiers far as the eye can see. Come ride with me. How many of you niggas willing to die with me? Guess so possibly I can be ammunition to your ambitions to break a sip out this prison. Hoping you pay attention, cause I don't know what freedom is, but I know this is what it's not. I reminded on the daily getting harassed by these cops, and I can't help but notice all these liquor sources on my block. Biologically attacking me, GMOs and the crops. You think it's food, but it's not. I feed you food for the thought where you can't purchase no nourishment on EBT cause it's hot. And cook you ain't got no spot where you camping out in the block, and your job is slinging these rocks. You depending on these knots, even I can't tell you to stop. I can tell you the solution's revolution in the name of Huey Newton. Bang on these pigs in our music, and we do it, we ride, cause the devil was a lie. I came to deliver my people from about the dark side. Got one more, Sam. We live in the generation of advanced communication, which is funny cause it's key to get the people out they seats, get them moving, start a movement. It's a global revolution, it all starts with self-improvement. No, my people going through it, gotta laugh to keep from crying. My people rapidly dying, believe it's 54% and the numbers rapidly climbing. Only 17% of the entire population, but over half the casualties in this fascist ass nation. Remember, KKK is just a place that I stay, cause where I'm from is the birthplace of the djembe drums. I'm talking Alkebulan, upper and lower Kemet, the land of the blackness. Before the Romans named the Egypt, the motherland had many names before Scipio Africanus molested our grandmothers and slaughtered our grandfathers, and we still here. I be the man with the hue. Can't forget my sister's queen of the womb, and it's like that, y'all. It's like that, y'all. The motherland is where the resources is at, y'all. Beautiful people, I mean everything is black, y'all. It's like that, y'all. Where we all come from. It's like that, y'all. It's like that, y'all. Alkebulan is where the resources is at, y'all. Beautiful people, I mean everything is black, y'all. It's like that, y'all, where we all come from.
That's beautiful.